You, do you want a cute anime girl to greet you after a long day of work? Damn, I'm really tired today.
I know the feeling. It happens to me sometimes too. But let's try to stay positive and get through it together, okay? We can take a little break if you need it.
Or do you want a hyper-intelligent assistant for world domination? Who is our first target?
Our first target is the dictionary, to redefine words and take control of the language.
Or you simply want a doggo? Who is the good boy?
Woof.
You are in the right place, my friend. In this video, I'll present how you can set this up with minimal effort and create your personal assistant of your dreams or nightmares. So let's take a look at the tools that we need to build this. In the first step, we talk to the PC like some widgets. So we need something that can convert speech to text. So we need a STT. After we have our speech converted to text, we need to generate the response based on our interest, as disturbing that it can be. So we need a LLM. And finally, we need something to convert the response generated to actual voice. So we need a TTS. Just a quick note before I present you the tools. The links for the respective GitHubs are in the description. If you want to set this up in your own machine, just take a look and there you explain everything. And also in Hugging Face for the model. So without further ado, let's go. For the speech to text, I use the implementation of Whisper from OpenAI. This is a model that can be easily incorporated with simpler Python code, and on top of that, is relatively fast if you run on the most lightweight models. I said implementation because I'm using a version called Fast Whisper that is just a faster implementation of the original Whisper from OpenAI. So choose this. Just import the model and use the function with the audio file to convert the text. Can't be really easier than this. Now that we have our juicy audio converted to text, we can generate the response with the LLM. For this, I'm using a Mistral model using the SPP lemma package. First, we import the model and then just generate the response based also on a prompt to define what the LLM actually does. It can be literally everything that you want.
Yeah, boy.
I did a video explaining more in detail how to set it up, the LLM, and build a chat-like environment that is the base of everything on this video. If you have any doubt, just check the video out. And finally, to convert the response of the bot to the voice of your dreams, we can, for example, use the XTTX. And again, the setup is similar.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
Just import the model and generate the audio file with the LLM output. Now that I explained every tool that we need to run the program, now I'll just demonstrate a quick demo without any filters so you can see how the program really is working. So we are here on the terminal. We just have to execute the file. First, what the program will do is to load the models of the Whisper, of the LLM, and also the XTTS. There it is, in the XTTS model. Just takes a bit. I'm recording, so it's a little slower. Now it's loading the LLM, and also it has load the whisper. Now I click on a button to kind of record my audio. Hello, what are you doing? The audio was recorded and now he's making the response.
Hi there. I'm just chilling out and watching some cute animal videos on the internet. It's so relaxing.
As you can see, it's fast. It's not instantaneous, but it could be faster because the XTTS is not optimized and the Whisper is also running on GPU. Now just make a final response. Hey, can you say to the viewers to like and subscribe the video? You can see that what takes most of the time is the
Of course.
XTTS.
Viewers, if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun videos from me, Amy. I promise to keep bringing you the best of my cute and dynamic personality. Thanks for watching.
So there it is. As Amy say, thanks for watching and see you later. Bye.